Time for my brisk walking. Um, Happy and blessed sunny morning to all. And ito na ang brisk walking ko for 45 minutes. No? Ang sabi sa akin ng physical trainer ko and doctor, listen to Mayo Clinic. Yung Mayo Clinic kasi did a study for senior citizens, no? And they have a long list of strong suggestions na dapat gawin ng mga senior citizens na 70 years old and above, no? And one of them is get a daily walking exercise, no? Now, depende daw sa energy at saka yung lakas ng isang matanda, no? Pwede daw na walking or brisk walking. Yung brisk walking kasi medyo mabilis yun, no? So, anyway, for 45 minutes. So, sabi ni Mayo Clinic, this will help stop dementia. Your brisk walking will help stop dementia, and at the same time you will have a happy mood and a healthy body doing this daily at least 45 minutes brisk walking exercises. So ayan, naglalakad na ako dito sa backyard ko, no? Doing my brisk walking. Okay, so this is ang brisk walking talaga ganito. Okay, yan, mabilis-bilis. Ang walking, ito lang. So I do brisk walking, kaya lang ako mabagal ngayon because I am talking to you guys. So eto, no, and then I'll show you also yung mga 3 days a week kong ginagawa is running on tires. Ito yung tire area ko, no? Yan, running ako dyan. So, this is my daily morning exercises, yung brisk walking. Araw-araw yan, daily yan. And then 3 times a week, running this tires, no? Parang yung army, no? Okay, bye for now.